What was leaking there? What was it called?
Sounds like rain again.
Oh, it's not stopped all day. Not going to help you're cold, is it, that much? I can't make size of that. So that's so big because it's just the titanic thing, yeah. The orthographic thing doesn't look that posh now, does it? The car graphic thing. That is a big lump, isn't it? That is a stonking beast. And it was leaky from these new pipes as well. Yeah.
You don't know if it is actually that, but in fact he says he might as well do them while he's got them out.
Yeah.
It's only 2 pounds.
I'll tell you what though, getting at these coil packs here must be an absolute nightmare when the car's in. It'd be impossible, wouldn't it?
No, you'd have to take it out, mate.
It's a 10-hour job taking the engine out.